Hi guys, and welcome to another weekly vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Grace and welcome to a weekend vlog. So today is Friday and I need to lose my hair, wash it, and do my eyebrows and do so many things because tomorrow is my siblings' graduation. Emmanuel and Emanuela, they are twins. So today is like preparation for tomorrow. And I also have to make food today. I have to cook soup today because we normally make food in my house on Saturday, like soups in my house on Saturday. But because tomorrow is their graduation, we're making it today. So I want to quickly wash my hair and bring it all back. And I also have like wigs to wash and straighten. I have a bob waiting for me somewhere that I have to flat iron, and then I have Esther's wigs to also flat iron. Everybody just gave me their wigs today to flat iron for them because tomorrow is my siblings' graduation and we just want to wear wigs. And yeah, so a lot of things is just happening at the same time. Right now, Emanuela is making her hair, so I want to quickly loosen this one, wash it, so that once I'm done with her hair will just braid for me. So this weekend is going to be a very busy weekend, a very eventful weekend, and I'm so happy that I'll be able to vlog this weekend. So yeah, let's start the vlog. I'm trying to cut the attachment, and I know that my hair is long, but I know that my hair is not obviously as long as this, but for some reason I can't just cut it so short. Anyway, my hair reaches me around here, sometimes it goes down, but I'm going to cut it here. I think the braids are just 12 braids, so I don't have any problem. The major work will be when I'll be removing this stitch because I actually stitch braids, so the major work will be when I will be removing the under. Yeah.
I'm gonna be just fine if I let my head down. I sweat that good sweat. Feel that breeze now. I'm gonna be alright if I let my truth out.
Okay, so this is what I mean by stitch braids. Even though I finished losing the main braid, there are still like tiny braids I have to loosen in between. So yeah, it's going to take a while, but we'll be fine.
Get to know you. Lighting up your phone, I got to get to know you.
I'm done loosening my hair. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I'm done. It took a while. And I'm happy that my front hair is growing back. So tired.
Daydreams got me lifted when you're not around. You're everything I think of and it wears me out. I'm not done rehearsing, but I'll tell you now.
I wanted to wash this head in my bathroom, but then I don't like seeing hair on the floor, like the bathroom floor, the drain. Oh my god, I hate it so much. Like it's disgusting. Ah! White hair, the drain, just like wet tissue paper. Ah! So I'm going downstairs to wash my hair. I've carried my towel. The conditioner and shampoo is downstairs, so I'm going to tell the hairdresser to help me wash my hair, and then from there she'll do all back for me. Yeah. I still have to go with my mom today. I don't know why my mom wants me to go out today with her, but Shisha is kidnapping me. So yeah, this light is so funny. I have to use my front camera to do this, but anyhow, I thought I was somebody. Like that white gown over there, I was about to scream. I thought I was somebody. I'm sorry I did not show you when I was making my hair, but once I was done making my hair, I had to start cooking stew. I had to be so fast because I had afang to make that same day. So I already boiled, or should I say fry? It's actually fried because I fried the blended tomatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic together. I fried it in one pot so that tasty nonsense taste, I don't even know what I just said, from the tomatoes, that slappy taste will just die. So I added it to this new pot where there's already oil, onions, and I already fried the tomato paste. So I mixed everything together. So right now I'm adding my meat stock, adding turmeric,
because I love good turmeric. And I'm adding cinnamon because what is stew without a very wonderful spice? Then I go in with curry. I love adding curry in everything I do, including frying eggs. Yes. So I stirred it a little, well, not well. Then I went in with some fried meat. And I realized that I over fried the meat because the meat was just too small. Like it was big, but then it don't already shrink. Like why? So I decided to just add extra meat, the ones that I did not fry, to just add more meat to the stew. So after turning, I let it boil for some time so that all that flavor and spice can just mix into the pot well.
So you guys, I finally made my corn rolls. I couldn't show you guys because I just had to make stew sharp sharp. So right now I'm waiting for the stew to boil a little, and while I clear this place. Let's start back from the market. So after stew, we're going to make afang soup. So I'm doing what I leave outside. This pot should be ready by now. I think the stew is ready, so yep. Okay.
No clouds on the window, my feet on the deck. I'm so careful from you. Are you watching? Let me see the bit of you. I don't want you to break and fall, or to break it all, or every mountain that comes your way. I'm here to stay.
Everybody feeling down sometime. Everyone in a war in their own mind. We live in a way just to gain little fame and a day that fly away. I see that your eye gone hazy. Everybody acting crazy, but the feeling that still makes the pain go away. Hey, yeah, then we're okay.
I say fine, let's get up. I don't fall asleep with you. Can it be just this? Fresh on my mind, I go. I don't fall too hard with you. Can it be just that easy?
I don't want you to break and fall, or to break it all, or every mountain that comes your way. I'm here to stay.
I don't have to do everything today, but she said you can do it also. But I still have energy. And I'm so happy that I ate before making this thing because I for just faint. Yeah. So it's time for just clean this and then I have afang to pound. Oh my god. Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday, the next day, and oh god, I was so tired yesterday. I had to sleep. God, I want to show you guys the gown I'm wearing today. I wore this gown 19th December 2023. That's the last time I wore it, and that was on my graduation. So I've not worn the gown since then. Maybe because it's white. So let me just show you the gown. I watched the gown recently. This is the back of the gown. Let me show you the gown. Because I've been wanting to wear this gown, but I didn't know where to wear it to. Of course, there's church, but for some reason, I've not worn it. This is the gown, and it's so beautiful though. Very beautiful gown. This is the gown. I don't think I need to iron it because it's this spandex material. Or even if I iron it, no, I don't know. Maybe I'll just touch here a little. But the thing about this, because once I wear it safe, it will not even be noticeable. Like nobody will even know. So I'll just touch small iron on it. The good thing is that there's food waiting for me. There's food. That's my lovely area. Our graduate. So I'm just eating rice that they made. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Let me not faint.
I'm jealous, so jealous.
Ima is jealous, and Ima is always very jealous. That's why he has come here, and he wants to put his face in the video.
Shine.
Yeah, I can't
You will
believe,
see pictures
I can't believe
Oh,
you
yeah.
just we do this without me.
I'll see you guys upstairs. I feel contemplating if I should pack this here or not, but I might most likely pack it. Manuela, come. Ella, Manuel, you should come. Alright, thank you very much.
Our next song.
Standing before you today as salutatorian of our class fills my heart with joy and pride. It has been an amazing journey filled with laughter, learning, challenges, and great memories. When we began our upper primary, we were excited but also a little nervous. New books, new lessons, new responsibilities. Nevertheless, we quickly settled in because we had the best teachers who guided and encouraged us.
So you guys, hi guys, it's the next day. I just finished doing Precious makeup. That's why all these things are on the bed. And let me shift you guys. I just finished her makeup and I could not even take a video of her because we were rushing. She came so late. Like this makeup was supposed to be by 7 o'clock. She came by 10. In fact, to 11. Because I finished makeup by 12. So I'm done. I'll insert some pictures and videos when she sends to me right here. I'll insert it. So yeah. Oh my god, if you're hearing any sounds, my fan. I forgot to let me off it. My fan can be so noisy once I'm making a video. I'm sure you guys will see the difference now. Anyway, I want to go and watch TV. I told my siblings that they should allow me watch TV. They have been using the TV for what happened? I got to watch something soon. Yeah, I'm not even going to arrange this place now. I'm going to rest. Do you know I've not eaten? And I didn't realize that I've not eaten this morning. In fact, it's even afternoon because now it's past 12. I didn't even realize I've not eaten. I just quickly did her makeup and she has gone. It is well. It is really well. Anyway, yeah. So I'm using Snapchat to film because my storage is out. I guess I have to end the video here. But I wanted to say that I wanted to relax my hair and I totally forgot. When I was losing my hair, I just wanted to weave it all back, but I ended up washing the hair because the hair was not in a good shape. And next week Wednesday I'm going somewhere, so I just wanted to relax the hair this weekend and then I didn't even think well, and then make a new hair so it can last me for the traveling period, for the period of when I'm traveling. I can't even speak English again. Yeah. Anyway, if you have reached the end of this video, please leave a purple love emoji, okay? I'll know that you have reached the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. I'm begging you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and just do what you're meant to do. Okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.